Hi everyone, it's Gail, and I have a few Etsy shares for you today. I wasn't going to do an Etsy share this week because I was supposed to be out of town, but the you-know-what struck again, and so we didn't go. So here I am with a few Etsy shares. First of all, yippee, it's time for the February kit from Mixed Media, Minnesota. So excited. I want to first say that Miss Shannon there at Mixed Media Minnesota, she's getting married on January 22nd. So congratulations to her. She got this shipped out beforehand. How she does this every month is beyond me, but it's a lot of work. So you are appreciated, Shannon. So this is February. Let's do as we normally do. Let me move a couple things. And let's look at the papers first so we can then see what things are going with. Okay, we have got a sticker sheet. The paper is from Simple Stories. It's called Simple Vintage Weathered Garden this time. So we've got this wonderful sheet of stickers. Oh, looks gorgeous. And it's floral. Ooh, look at that side. Really pretty. Oh, I love this with the kind of weathered look. Well, it's called Simple Vintage Weathered Garden. I guess that makes sense, doesn't it? Oh boy. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty. And then some gingham. Got this one. Bigger gingham. Gingham is a great neutral kind of thing, It's not neutral, but it kind of breaks up all the pattern. Love the butterflies. Ooh, and look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I don't know. I'm telling you, though, these scrapbooking companies, they need to know where their bread is buttered and put the image on this side so it can be a journal cover. I keep saying it. I told my friend Jen Bishop and she listened, but I don't know. If you're a scrapbooker designer out there, please put the pattern over here once in a while so we journal makers can use it better. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And then the butterflies again. And there we go. You could use that. But, still, the main patterns are always on the left. Why? I have no idea. So, there you go. But, Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Weathered Garden, gorgeous kit, beautiful colors. I love the teal and the kind of, greenish yellow. It's really pretty. So, 49 in Market flowers to go with. So, there's that. There's the floral bits. It's called Simple Stories floral bits to go with the paper. So there you go. That. Okay, and then we've got Tim Holtz collage paper, the botanical collage paper. And then these beautiful Tim Holtz butterflies. Transparent wings, they're called. So they're on, it feels like vellum to me. And there's all sorts of different colors and wings and such. That's super fun. Super fun. Didn't even know that existed, to be honest. And then Distress Collage Medium. I'm excited about that because I've been watching Marley's on Maz Designs. She uses this all the time. I've never used it. So that'll be an experiment. And Shannon sent along a nice little brush to go with. And then last but not least, this is a bit of butterfly washi tapes from Dress My Craft. So there you have that. So that's what's included in the February kit. Of course, as always, the link for Mixed Media Minnesota will be in the description box below. Thank you so much, Shannon, and I hope your wedding is as beautiful as you dreamed. I'm so excited for you. Anxious to hear about it. So anyway, February, Mixed Media, Minnesota. I know how quick the months go because of how quickly the kits are put out. So go over and get yours because, as you know, they don't last long. So that'll be good. Okay, I have a couple of digitals. This is a sample of the digitals. Tsunami Rose Valentine is out, and I kind of picked and chose pieces from it. There's tons, as Daisy always does. There's tons of digitals on this. So, but aren't those pretty? Those fun little doilies. Oh, let me turn them. So there's pink valentines, and then there's red valentines in her Valentine's kits. Aren't those so cute? Little bears and stuff. So all from the pink. This one also is the pink. And the big designs, she also has them in this size. And I was thinking, like, for these to just cut them apart and you could use them as a card, as a Valentine's card. Here's some of the red ones. Love these. Love these kind of 50s looking ones. And then she did some collages. I think these are gorgeous too. Would make really fun cards as well. And she's got her lists and things. Pages for a journal. Aren't those pretty? Yeah. And then fussy cut hearts. These are the red ones. I think there's pink one too. And then she's got words. She's got Valentine-y type of words. So all from Tsunami Rose Design. I will link her Etsy below. And then we have, this is so fun. This is a new shop to share. It's called Bespoke Bookmarks NL. And it's Anushka, and she made me one, and she said they were inspired by my over-the-page embelly clips that were also inspired by my friend Janita. So there's isn't that, oops, I'm sorry, little bookmark. And then this is the other side. She's got some slow stitching on them, collaging and slow stitching. And I just love it. And then there's a pocket in here. She put a little note in there. And it's magnetized, so when it goes over your page, it clips on. Isn't that cool? And yeah, and she just opened her Etsy. It's called Bespoke Bookmarks NL. I'll link it in the description box below. She said she's in Europe, so just FYI. And so, you know, sometimes the shipping is kind of crazy there. It took a month for this little bookmark to get to me. So, yeah. But I was talking with Anushka, and I actually sold a journal in to the UK, and it took 6 months to get there. So I said, really? The bookmark got there fairly quickly. So anyway, that is a new shop for you to check out. And then I have this big old pile from my pal Mary Kay at Maz Designs. And let's just start at the top. She packages everything with little doilies, and I love that. Isn't that so pretty? It's got little strawberries and a flower. And let's see. Oh, she sent some cards. Fun. Oh, it says your kindness is inspiring. Look at this beautiful card she made. Isn't that so nice? Oh. She's going to do a card section in her shop now, her handmade cards. And she sent some samples. This one's going in my correspondence journal. And then, let's see, oh, I must have flowers always and forever. Those are, you make beautiful cards. You make beautiful cards, Mary Kay. Encourage your hopes, not your fears. Gosh, that's just gorgeous. Can you see those well? Let me get them up here. Isn't that pretty? Here's that one. It's got the little Tim Holtz charm thing on it. And this one, oh, cute. What would I do without you? And it's got little sequins on it. So pretty. I so admire card makers. They're just beautiful. Just beautiful. Thank you so much. Oh, I've got an acorn on my table. Can you tell what I've been doing? Okay, vintage bird pages in the shop now. Oh, how fun are these? Now, what's awesome about these is if you wanted to, you could fussy cut them, or you can put the pages in a journal as they are. Oh, aren't those cool? Love those. All sorts of birdies. Owls, yay! Oh, these are awesome. Love these, love these. So, vintage bird pages at Maz Designs. And I am super curious about what is in these last three. That's the thing, when she wraps them in an embroidered cloth, you can't tell. You don't know. You don't know. Oh, this is my order. Yay. Okay. Let's see. What did I order? Oh, look at how beautifully she wraps that. Isn't that so nice? So it's all in lace. Oh, that lace is awesome. Thank you, Mary Kay. Oh, yes. I remember now. Look at this. The House of Seven Gables. Look at that cover. Is that not gorgeous? That's going to make a cool vintage book journal. I always like to look and see what House of the Seven Gables from the garden. There's lots of pictures in here. The kitchen. Oh, there's cool pictures in here. Oh my gosh, that's going to be fun. Look at that house. Love this. Thank you, Mary Kay. Yes. And then her beautiful wrapping. So awesome. Okay, I'm going to set these aside over here. And then she sent this, which I'm not sure what we've got going here. Oh my gosh. She sent this large, well, it's a small flat rate box, but the whole thing is, it's buttons. Let's see. So she's putting those in her shop. She said she may be a bit of a button hoarder. We can all understand that. We all have those tendencies, don't we? Oh my goodness. Yes. Okay. Sorry guys, I didn't know I would have opened this ahead of time, but see if we can get her open here. Oh. She's just making sure the buttons didn't go all over the post office. There we go. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Holy buckets. Time to start selling some. Each box like this holds over 1,400 mixed buttons, many of them vintage. Wow, that's amazing. Oh, there's stuff in here. Let's see. Okay. That's just thanking me for my order. Oh my gosh. How fun is that, you guys? Oh, I'm gonna have to get together with my friend Lynn, who collects vintage buttons, and have her go through these. Oh, these are so fun. That's awesome, Mary Kay. Good for you for putting some in your shop. Okay, and then last but not least, we've got this little piece of something. We'll see what we have. Oh, look at this cute doily. Packs of 10 index cards are in her shop. They're the ones with the tab. I love those. Pack of 5 floral embossed envelopes in her shop. Can you see that embossing? Isn't that cool? And vintage receipts, work orders, 20 in a pack in her shop now. 1957, 62. Oh man, those are cool. And piano paper. After I made those clusters, I had a few people ask me about piano paper. So Maz Designs, that's where you get it. How fun is that? Well, thank you to the shop owners, and thank you all for supporting them. I so appreciate that on their behalf. I know they're very grateful. So have a great rest of your Sunday. Have a grateful day, and we'll just see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.